Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, traction control, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.